Hello, this video shows how to work with the unit for the emergency engine start of Toyota Lexus Subaru as an example of Lexus GS 300 2008 years edition. Briefly about this AST Auto Start Toyota unit. The unit is designed for the emergency engine start on the Toyota, Lexus and Subaru passenger vehicles in case of the key authorization unit malfunction or keys loss. AST unit is used as a temporary element for an emergency vehicle transportation and not intended to use permanently. So, AST unit is used as substitution for the key authorization unit of smart model or certification unit. When you connect the AST unit with the car, the central lock becomes unblocked and the keyless start system would be activated. When there is no need to use AST more, you may return to initial state of all electronic units of the vehicle. So, AST unit leaves no tracks of its usage. Shortly about some of its dignities. Firstly, don't need any keys to start the car engine. Secondly, there is not remained of any history of using this device. Thirdly, its compactness, low weight and ease of using. Thanks for your attention.